Today, we'd love to give you an unboxing demo for the brand new Orka 1, next generation Bluetooth and AI denoise hearing aids. Now let's dig in. First, you'll see a cover. Flip it over and you'll find a quick user guide to show you how to connect to Orka 1 via Bluetooth. And on the other side, you'll see the beautiful Orka 1 lying inside. Use the pull tab to take out the charging case. With a sleek design, the case feels good in your hands and fits well in your pocket. As you open the case, you can see two LED lights on the inside indicating the battery level of each individual hearing aid, and the three white LEDs on the outside indicates the battery level of the charging case. Let's take a closer look at the hearing aid itself. With a minimalistic design, the curved hearing aid fits well behind your ear, and you can always rely on it to be your fashion statement. Underneath the product tray, you'll find Orka 1's user manual. It includes all the information you needed for using your Orka 1 hearing aids. We've also included all the necessary accessories to complement your Orka 1 experience. Here we have a charging cable, a USB power adapter, a pack of wax guards, a brush, and 6 pairs of domes. We've also designed the Orka app for you to take full control of your Orka 1 hearing aids. To connect, simply flip open the charging case. Your hearing aids will automatically connect to the app. In the app, you can switch between automatic and aggressive denoise modes, and you can also play around with different volume settings as well. To switch between the hearing aid mode and the headset mode, simply double tap the back of your hearing aids. Or you can also do it on the app with a simple press and drag gesture. The app also provides access to a remote care service. You can make appointments for live fitting sessions or just consultation with our licensed professionals. And our team will make sure that your Orka 1 hearing aids will be customized for your personal hearing needs.